Hey there, the team over at Veehoo has sent over this dog bed and dog house combo set for me to share with you guys. I've been using Veehoo products for well over a year now, and what I really like about their products is, to start with, they are super easy to put together. Veehoo doesn't require any tools to put their beds together, and the instructions are always well detailed, showing both the parts and diagrams on how to put their stuff together. It also only takes a few minutes to put their beds together. I can get a bed together in about 5 minutes. This took me a little bit longer just because it's a few extra pieces. The bed itself is elevated and has this nice webbing on it to allow plenty of airflow to keep your pet cool. It may seem a little bit flimsy as you're moving the bed around, but when the bed's in place, it is nice and sturdy and offers some good give to keep your pet comfortable. The shelter itself goes together just as easily as the bed did. The framework goes together. Then you place over the cover to keep the bed onto the frame, and it has these clips along the bottom and also has tie downs at the front to hook to the frame. If it's placed in the ground, it also comes with a set of tent stakes that go through the feet, keeping the shelter securely on the ground. 3 sides of the shelters all have roll-up windows to allow plenty of airflow when the temperature and weather allows. This has plenty of room for a large dog to get in there, or a few medium or smaller dogs. The bed fits in here nicely, and there's even a little bit of extra room on the side here. I feel this is pretty good for most seasons, but in an area where there may be heavy snow, and the snow will need to be cleaned off often, or it may be a better fit for those places with lighter winters. My dog seems pretty comfortable in this. He's about 40 pounds, and as you can see with the size of the bed, he has plenty of room on that bed, so larger dogs are going to find this comfortable as well. If you're looking for a place for your pet to get out of those elements a little bit while they're outside, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.